Hello everybody, this is the Euro dollar early May, and now last week nothing really much happened except at the end of the week where actually the Euro dollar broke up a level of resistance and seems to want to go back up now. It's very interesting now because the euro made a low at this level here at 0.04, and then after that went into a range for a couple weeks, but now seems to actually do a rebound. So whether it is a corrective rebound or a change of trend, we have to see. Right now, we think that considering the daily chart has been above the trend dragon trend line. Definitively broke that level of resistance and posted 1, 2, 3, 4 days, 4 up days, and now is into a consolidation period from that up move, which is good. So here we could say that this here is the first low, and the currency seems to be creating a higher low here, provided that it would break that level at 112.89. This could be interesting because when you look at the currency, if we look at the weekly, for instance, and skip out a little bit, um, we basically see there's a lot of movement up and down, and this level here was quite low. Actually, I think it was 2003 low, and it seems that the currency is respecting that level, is trying to move back up. So if you look at the next level of resistance for the euro dollar, you'd be probably looking at the trend dragon trend line on the weekly at 1.16, which is about 300 pip away. Uh, Let me see here. About 400 pip away. It did break also the level of resistance on the weekly, which is quite significant. Tried to go back to it and respected that level, and now seems to potentially go higher. The only thing is this area of resistance here could be an area of consolidation, which we should see that this week. In any case, one level to look at on the weekly chart is this level here. So we'll put it in red, okay, and go back to the daily, which comes down to that level of resistance here. Right now, I would think that the euro is getting back into probably short to mid-term uptrend. This is a bit confirmed by oil, which is by oil prices, which are going up. So the entry is to type. You can enter at the break of this red line, which is 113.17 on the upside, knowing that you would have some probably period of consolidation to 114.49. If he breaks that level 114.49, then after that there is no reason for the currency not to go another 300 pip above to the trend dragon weekly trend line. So there would be some level of resistance at that level here before it tried to break it. So The way that it is, what could happen basically is on the upside, we could see potentially when it breaks that level here and a period of consolidation here, we could see that formation of inverted head and shoulder, which would confirm the up move at that point. In any case, right now or for this week, it's going to be on the upside. Looking at the behavior around the 12 to 13, 1.12, 1.13 figure. That would probably be the play for today as far as the euro dollar is concerned. Now, if we go to the British pound, the British pound is actually a cleaner chart and a lot more decisive. The move of the British pound started a lot earlier than the euro dollar. The euro dollar followed the British pound actually, and as you can see, uh, going up, retracing, creating a second higher low, breaking back up decisively and retracing to the trend dragon trend line, creating a potentially a third higher low. Of course, the level to look at here would be this level here, which would be a confirmation of a third high low and then continuation of the trend. Same case scenario as the euro dollar. You have an area here of a previous consolidation. Thus, this is the level of resistance now. But the if you look at the chart configuration for the British pound, it's quite obvious that it is going into at least midterm uptrend, and configuration are very clear with the level very clear for the British pound. The weekly chart is actually even more decisive because the currency went to the trend dragon trend line on the weekly chart, did refuse the level, tried to do a reversal configuration with a candlestick. I guess this is called a hangman, but did not confirm it and don't want back up. And actually, this week seems to want to be pushing up. So on the upside, we would see that currently we have about 250 pip on the upside for the before the next level of support. That level of resistance, I'm sorry, that level of resistance here on the red line, 155.65, is also confirmed on the weekly on the daily chart for the British pound. So it makes sense that if it breaks that level here, it should actually confirm that the British pound is entering into a uptrend phase. If we look at um, the Japanese yen, which I'm going to go get right now, of course, reverse move from the British and the euro dollar, obviously, because the pair are removed. And after a strong period of consolidation and range, we need to go into the daily. It looks like actually the currency is still a bit undecisive on the Japanese yen. Got into still is into a range pattern. Therefore, you would want to apply the range strategy with a using a stochastic to sell on at the breakdown of the overbought section and buy on the oversold section. Not very decisive for the British pound, still into a range period. Briefly, it looks like even though Greece is not has not resolved their situation with Europe. The market is looking more at the US data, especially the bad GDP numbers that came up last week. It looks like the currency is losing a bit of strength against the euro dollar and the British pound. Considering that the currency was very strong and the euro very weak, it's normal that it would change and going back up. So right now, probably looking at long situation for the euro. I'm sorry for the yeah for the euro and the British pound, and having the dollar losing ground on all the majors. That's it for today. Hope that you have a good trading, and please be conservative in your trading. Use stop loss and protect your profit.